Setting up your Ring Video doorbell is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. First, download the Ring app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Simply search for Ring and select the blue icon with a bell to download the app. If this is your first time opening the Ring app, select Set up a device and follow the in-app prompts to create an account. If you've already logged into the Ring app, select Set up device to get started. Then select the device you want to set up. In this case, select Video Doorbell. Next, you'll name your Ring. This is useful if you have multiple Ring devices, so that you know exactly where your alerts are coming from. On the next screen, confirm your street address. Now press and release the orange button on the back of your Ring Video doorbell. The light on the front of your Ring should start spinning white. This means it's in setup mode. If the light doesn't spin, the battery in your Ring may need to be charged. Use the supplied orange cable or any other micro USB cable to charge your Ring doorbell. Charge Ring by plugging it into a USB outlet. A wall outlet will charge your Ring faster than the USB ports on your computer, but either will work. Keep your Ring plugged in until the light on the front is a complete blue circle. This means it's fully charged. Tap Continue in the app to resume setup. If you're on an Android device, it should automatically connect to the Wi-Fi signal broadcast by your Ring doorbell, in which case you can skip the next step. However, on some Android devices, you may need to leave the Ring app and manually connect to your Ring doorbell in your phone or tablet's Wi-Fi settings. If you're on an Android device and have trouble with this step, see our video on troubleshooting Ring setup on Android devices. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll have to leave the Ring app to access your Wi-Fi settings. The easiest way to do this is by holding down the Home button and asking Siri for Wi-Fi settings. If you don't have Siri enabled, push the Home button to exit the Ring app, then look for the Settings app. Once in Settings, select Wi-Fi and look for the network that starts with Ring and a hyphen. Select it and wait for it to appear at the top of your screen with a check mark. Then return to the Ring app. Now the app will start scanning for your personal Wi-Fi network. Select the network that you want your Ring doorbell to connect to. If you have more than one, select the network that's closest to where you'll be installing your Ring. On the following screen, enter your password. An incorrect password will cause your setup to fail, so double check to make sure it's correct. Then select Continue. Next, you should see the light on your Ring and in the app change to a blue pattern. This means your Ring is attempting to connect to your Wi-Fi network. When the light on your Ring Video doorbell flashes blue 4 times, congratulations, your Ring has been successfully set up. If you have any trouble, see our video called Troubleshooting Setup Issues. If you're ready to install your Ring, watch our video on installing Ring Video doorbell. If you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our support team or visit ring.com/help. With Ring, you're always home, always home.